Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. How we can find part number for tantalum capacitors, that are SMD capacitors, SMD and SMT. This is a question from my viewer Solder It. I have problem. I am repairing some industrial equipment and there is shorted tantalum capacitor. Its marking is 156 15 microfarad 50 volt K, that is 10%, but I don't know the manufacturer and I don't know the series of it. It's low ESR, other type that's I don't know, very small component SMD, but it is very expensive also. So how I can order it? Go to digikey.com. I'm not promoting any website. SMD tantalum capacitors here. From this chart, from this tabular data, now we will select capacitance. First, capacitor value 15 microfarad plus minus 10%. Then here voltage rating 50 volt. Now which type we need? Conformal coated type or molded type? For example, I need molded type. Then ESR. If you know the ESR in the circuit, then you can select this one, 100 milliohm at 100 kilohertz, or higher values, or we can select any one. Then operating temperature minus 55 to 125 degrees. Then lifetime 2000 hours at 125 degree, so it is good. Then package style 2917, this is height, width, length code in metric and it is inch code. Package style. Then there is size. You can make measurements of the component from the PCB, what is length and width. Then how much height from the PCB, that is this one. Then manufacturer size code, here it is showing E, D. When we have measurements from this size and dimensions, then we can find the manufacturer size code. But now we will leave it as it is. Features: automotive or general purpose or high reliability. We will select automotive, that is good. It is showing just 3. High reliability 4. Automotive and high reliability, this one. Failure rate, now apply all. These are the components. This is now part number TAJE156K050TNJV. Then other, it is Kemet, it is Kyocera. Here is manufacturer. This is its package style. Then Kemet T495X156. These are part numbers. We can also modify the search. We can go back. If we select all 3 types, general purpose, high reliability and automotive, apply all. Now it will show 33 results. In this way we can find and we can order the required part number. Just you can take measurements. Now you can check the measurements, length, width and height. in inches and in millimeters. Same here, in inches, length, width, and here is in millimeters. Manufacturer size code and everything is here. And what are the features? So in this way we can find our required part number. We can demand our required component. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.